everyone, welcome back to another episode of Unboxing with LovelySkin. I'm Ariel.
I'm Jill.
So today we're talking about one of our favorite things to do, which is highlighting. Generally, it's talked about with contouring, but you don't actually have to do the two together.
Right, no, and there are so many different types of highlighters out there. You can choose a stick highlighter, cream highlighter, powder highlighter, liquid, and so there's so many choices, so we decided to try all of them.
Yes, the possibilities are endless. Should we dive in?
Let's do it.
All right, cool. What are you gonna start with?
I think I'm gonna start with this palette.
Okay.
So I love the idea of a palette because you can blend your perfect shade.
And this looks like it's a contouring and a highlighting palette, so it looks like it has some blush, some highlight, concealer, some bronzer. So this kind of could be your go-to palette for contouring and highlighting.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to start with one of these. So I want to show you guys all three just so you can see kind of the different shades we're working with. These could be used all over the face. I think these would be great to highlight underneath your brow bone, the bridge of your nose. I think you could use these for all those areas. Cupid's bow. So I'm gonna go with this one. Just so you guys know, this is the iridescent quartz. Look how pretty it is.
And I love that, yeah, it's like hands-free.
Yeah.
Like you don't have to worry about a brush or getting your fingers dirty. I'm gonna use my fingers for this. It's a little creamier, so you can use a brush or your fingers.
Yeah.
And the highlighter goes right on top of your brow bone because where you wanna add it is right where the light naturally falls on your face.
Yep. So it's kind of a C shape, is what they tell us, right? I think this would be a great one too for all skin tone types. I think sometimes some of them that are super highlighty and super light only work for certain skin types, and this one seems like it would kind of go across the board. So I think that's nice.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to dive in. So here I go. And with any highlighter, you can kind of choose how thick you want it. And another thing you can do is put a little bit of highlighter over your lipstick. So I have a matte lipstick on right now, which also actually is a Bare Minerals lipstick that I love. It's from their Gen Nude line. So I'm just gonna put a little on here. Okay, so loving that one. Next up, I'm going to show you guys the Luminizer by The Balm.
I'm gonna try the Derma Blend Glow Creator Multi-Use Liquid Highlighter.
Goes perfect with your outfit
It
today.
does, very pink.
So I'm going to use a fan brush with this and just in an upward motion.
This one comes in a dropper, and what I love about this one is if you just want an all-over glow, you can just put a drop into your foundation or your daily moisturizer sunscreen, and it can just give you an all-over lit from within look.
Lit from within skin.
Yeah.
Love it.
Just a little dab, and then you can use a brush. I'm gonna try actually this little one for under the brow.
Nice, love it.
Just a little bit, just for a little more precise application. Oh, this one is so pretty.
Let's see. Ooh, yeah, it is. And it looks so great with your eyeshadow.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay, so favorites.
I think I love the palette the best. I love that you can mix and match the colors, and I really just like a cream consistency in my highlighter just because I feel like I can apply it a little easier, and having the case is nice too for on the go.
Yep, love it. Okay, so I'm kind of the same. I would have to say these are my favorites. I like a cream consistency as well. I just feel like it stays on longer, and this also same. It's just an easy applicator, and you can just throw it in your bag and take it anywhere with you.
Yes, and those colors are just like perfect for summer.
And there's Moonstone and Sapphire in there. What more could you want? So as always, you guys can find all of these wonderful products and so much more at LovelySkin.com. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.